Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to solve question number 1 of weekly contest 481, mirror distance of an integer. Very easy problem. So in this problem you are given an integer n and we have to define its mirror distance as absolute of n minus reverse of n, right? Where reverse of n is the integer formed by reversing the digits of n, and we have to return an integer denoting the mirror distance of n, and absolute of x denotes the absolute value of x. Very easy problem, right? So here, see, this n is 25, and what is the reverse of this? Reverse of this is 52, and what is 25 minus 52? N minus reverse, right? So it's nothing but minus 27, and we have to just return the absolute value of this one, right? So we have to return 27 as output. That's it. Reverse of 25 is 52. Thus the answer is absolute of n minus the reverse value, right? So we are going to get 27, right? We need to return absolute value. Here only one integer is there, 7 minus 7, output is 0. That's it. Here we have 10, and if I just reverse it, I will get 1. So 10 minus 1 is nothing but 9, right? This is what we need to return, and the constants is nothing but n is from 1 to test for 9. Very easy problem, very easy problem, right? So what you need to do here, first reverse the digit, right? How you are going to reverse the digit? So let's see that. So here, let's say I have 325, right? And what is the reverse of this? Reverse of this is nothing but 523. So what I'm going to do here, from this I'm going to pick the last element, last digit. So how we pick the last digit? So we pick the last digit, let's say this is your n. So we pick the last digit like this, n modulus with the 10, right? So if I do this 325 and modulus with the 10, so 10 into 32 is nothing but 320, right? So remainder is 5. So 5 is nothing but last digit, right? So I'm going to get 5, right? Clear? And uh, once this is done, then after that what I will do here, if you notice, then I will update. Initially I will take my result as 0, then I will update my result as 0 into 10 plus the last digit, that is nothing but 5. So I will get 5. Okay, this is my result, and my new number, this number is going to be this one, 32. Next, for next stage. Okay, 32 done. Done until here. The next time I will take again this last digit as 32 modulus with the 10. So if I do this 10 into 3, I will get 30. So remainder is 2. So that's good, right? Last digit is 2, right? Okay, now previous time my result was 5. So 5 was the previous result into 10. Always I multiply it with 10, right? 5 into 10, and then I'm adding the last digit, so I will get 52. So that is correct as of now. 5 2 I get it, and next time my n value is going to be this 3. Okay, this is done, right? Now in the next stage, 3 modulus with the 10, right? So again 10 into 0 is nothing but I will get 3 as the remainder, right? So last digit is 3. Overall result previous time was 52. So 52 into 10 plus last digit 3. So I will get 523. So I'm getting correct number. Now my this number is going to be, new number is going to be 0. So while my number is greater than 0 only I am executing. So I have to stop. So in the end, what is my result? Overall result is 523, right? That is nothing but the reverse of this one, right? So here I am returning the result, right? So this is a method to reverse the number. Very easy, right? To reverse the number, right? And here this n value can be up to 10 raised to power 9. Okay, so here we are checking all the numbers only one time, right? So it will not take much time, right? We are just reversing the numbers, right? So it will not take much time. Okay, so and here mirrored number, I'm just going to call this build reverse method, right? And passing n, and difference I'm calculating as n minus mirrored, and here I have to return the absolute value, right? So that's it, that's it. Okay, so this is done, right? So this is a solution, right? So I hope that you guys are clear with question number 1 of weekly contest 481, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.